What's up, everyone? Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to make sure you knew if you signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, it's okay. We can help. It's not too late. Just go ahead and follow the directions down below the video to get your sign-on bonus of up to $1,000 today. Put it in your bank account today. That new, special toy that your kid wants, get it for them today. Pay your rent today. $1,000. It takes like 30 seconds. You'd be dumb as hell not to do it. Again, follow the directions down below the video. Pause the video. Just get it done, okay? All right, let's start the video.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Thank you all for coming by. My name's Dylan.
This is Keenan.
Keenan, what's up? Keenan is my buddy, and he came over. As you can see, he's repping the Rideshare Hub merch. And lo and behold, he drives a Tesla for Uber. Look at that thing. Are you kissing it? Yeah, so basically, I was like, dude, that is so sick. You're driving a Tesla for Uber. I have to have you on the channel. And guys, I think he's actually gonna join the Rideshare Hub. Before we get started, guys, if you signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you can use, well, we'll put all the instructions down below. We can be nice to them, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Little nice.
Yeah, so if you signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a code, you're like, oh my gosh, I forgot to use a code. We're gonna leave instructions. It's super easy, takes 30 seconds. Get your hard-earned money from Uber. So, without further ado, let's hop into this. We're gonna do this as quickly as possible and just show you the car. Yeah, let's get started.
Get started. I don't know if you guys saw that, but
whoa, what's happening? What's happening?
I know it's just like a small feature of the car. It's not even turned on yet, whatever, but
there you go.
So
and
satisfying.
Look how it opens, guys. You can just put your hand right in there.
Cool.
Let's do a quick walk around of the car first. Let's do an exterior and then we get to interior.
Cool.
And wait, first of all, how long have you had this car, and why did you start using it? Did you get it just for Uber, or did you already have the car?
Well, no, I got it just for Uber, but I mean, obviously you want to drive a Tesla anyway. I've had it for about 3 months.
Yeah.
I love it. The car I was driving before was fine. It was like some crappy little 2005 Infiniti.
Oh, yeah.
It's going well. It's going well.
That's
They
awesome.
can't really hear me when I pull up to them though, which is a little startling for them.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
so
yeah.
quiet.
Yeah.
But it's going well. It drives quick. You don't have to spend a ton of money on gas because it
Doesn't take gas.
doesn't take gas. It's
Yeah.
electric, so you just got to charge it. It's like $10.
Look at this
All
cool.
good.
This is a used car, right? What year is this?
This is a 2015. It's used. It's only got like 60,000 miles on it, I think.
Yeah, so it has, if you guys can tell, it's rounded at the front. The newer ones are flush, but I honestly kind of like this style too.
Yeah, man. It looks mean. It looks like a BMW or a Mercedes.
Yeah, true. Cool. Well, yeah, let's finish the walk around.
Cool. Nice little headlights here.
Got your Uber sticker
Door
there.
handles.
Yeah.
You guys will see this from the inside as well, but look at the moonroof.
Woo!
Yeah, man. It's not a sunroof.
God damn. Guys, you can get some sun while you drive.
While you drive.
Get some vitamin D, man.
And out here in California, when the weather's just now starting to get nicer again.
Yeah.
You can just let the windows down, open the moonroof, pretend like you're in a convertible. Nobody will know the difference.
So I have to ask you, what's your passenger's first reaction when they get in and they see that you're driving a Tesla? I mean, they're probably not used to it, you know?
They're not. I mean, they obviously do like one of the little when I pull up, but when they get in, you'll see they see like a giant iPad thing just in front, and then they realize they're not just driving around in some crappy
normal
little
car.
Ford Focus.
Yeah. Hey, nothing against Ford Focus.
Nothing against Ford Focuses.
Hey, I drive a Ford, man. What the heck?
Yeah, he does, doesn't he?
I'm a peasant, okay? I'm not as rich as this guy here.
Sorry.
No, but the cool thing, actually, we were talking about this earlier, is that this is not even that expensive of a car.
It's not. Really not.
Yeah.
Especially, I mean, honestly, a lot of the more like luxury car brands, BMW, Mercedes, if you get just a couple of years older, like 2015, 2016,
yeah,
you can get them for a pretty decent price. I mean, 20 grand, 25.
Yeah. Don't buy cars new, guys. As soon as you drive off the lot, they depreciate like $7,000.
Depreciate. Don't do it.
Yeah, so appreciate, don't depreciate. So yeah, this is
Words to live by.
Yeah, so honestly, let's get a thumbnail really quick.
Thumbnail?
Yeah, so just stand by the front and be like, oh my god. Perfect, cool. So let's hop on the inside.
Hop on in.
Yeah. Let's look at the back seat first. Like, this is how your passengers are gonna get in.
Right.
So I'll pretend that I'm the passenger. So, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
A cool car.
Cool car.
A Tesla. You get inside.
Ooh, look at all that leg room.
Oh my gosh, so much leg room. My knees barely touch. No, it does look hella luxurious though in the inside. It's a little wrinkled. You know, it's just used leather. I don't know if these ones are real leather, but the new ones are vegan leather.
It's not real leather because Elon Musk doesn't play that shit.
Oh, really?
It's all vegan leather.
All vegan leather. Cool. So, all right. So let's do an interior.
Okay.
Oh wait. First of all, let's go over some quick benefits of why you might want to drive a Tesla for Uber rather than just a normal gas-powered Toyota car.
Well, I know I sort of mentioned this briefly already, but you're driving Uber, you're driving all over the city, tons and tons of miles every single day.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're spending a lot of money in gas.
Yes.
I don't know wherever you're going to be living, but here in California, you can get up to easily $4 a gallon, which
Easy,
is
yeah. Absurd, but
absurd. It's 50, 60 bucks to fill up your tank.
yeah.
And that's, you know, your hard-earned money that you're working for. So, with this,
So would you say you saved a lot of money by not spending money on gas?
for sure, easily,
Yeah.
easily. Because it takes, you know, 10 bucks to charge this thing up all the way, and it's got a range of 300 miles or so.
Yeah, and when you're driving for Uber, one of your biggest expenses is gas.
Easily.
So when you're driving an electric car, doesn't have to be a Tesla, but electric cars in general, you're just cutting down that cost. So, you know, business, you have your revenue and then your expenses. Your expenses are gonna be a lot less. So yeah, another thing I was gonna say, I got reminded of it, but you say you're driving around a lot. Don't you think you would enjoy driving a lot more in a Tesla rather than like a normal car?
It does sort of make the job fun, not to sound cliche.
Yeah.
But I mean, you're cruising around in a nice, quiet, like Tesla sports luxury car.
You get a little adrenaline.
Yeah,
Like,
adrenaline for sure, and you just
Yeah.
feel good about yourself as opposed to just like, oh man, you know, I'm sitting in a Toyota having to drive people around for money. That's not what it is.
Yeah, he's downplaying it, guys. Literally, the cost of this car, a used 2015 Tesla, is the same price as a brand new Toyota Prius. What would you prefer? A brand new Prius or a used Tesla?
And you're gonna be saving money in the long run. So really,
Maybe
like,
you
what's
want
the question?
maybe you do want a brand new car. But yeah, you will save a lot of money. So anyways, before we end this video, we're just gonna show you the interior, and then we have a little special gift for you guys at the end, so stay tuned. Cool, let's hop inside. So seamless.
So seamless. All right, guys, welcome.
Yeah, very cool.
So, as I mentioned earlier, that's your giant iPad screen. All of the settings are here for you to customize driving style, lights.
Here, let me whip around so I can get a full angle. All right, so what were you saying?
Just giving you a quick little rundown of this, all of this.
Yeah.
Typical car, you're gonna have a lot of, you know, buttons and dials and switches and gear shifts and confusing stuff that you gotta deal with. Here, it's all right here, just like your phone. So, the sunroof, close it with the touch of a button.
Whoa, guys, it's closing.
Yeah.
Bye. Have a good day. Oh wait, you're still here. You're still here.
Yep,
Okay.
yep.
Sorry.
I know.
I thought you left for a
Thought
second.
I lost you for a second.
Yeah.
All right.
I didn't realize that I could get back in through this one, but okay.
Hey man, the future is now.
Hey truck, keep it down. Okay, there we go.
Typical.
God, I hate living in the hills, man. It sucks.
Yeah, man. God, it sucks. I hear you. All right.
I hate living in an exclusive neighborhood with all these huge mansions. It's so hard.
Dude, he was telling me a story the other day. A storm knocked over a tree into his pool. I mean, God. Can you imagine?
My life is so hard.
So hard. Dylan. All right.
Wait, was that actually like very pretentious of me to say?
No.
Okay.
All right. You can control everything, even the brightness.
I just have so much money. I have to count so much money. It sucks.
So much money.
Okay.
I know.
Sorry.
From Uber.
Continue, guys. If you can't tell, we like to joke around. So we like to keep it entertaining as well as informational. So let's get back to the information.
All right. Information. So, where was I? Everything is controlled through here, not just the moonroof, brightness of the display, the lights. I don't know if you can see them. I know it's bright outside.
Yeah.
Headlights are turned on, parking off, whatever. Driving style, if you like it a little sportier, if you like it more.
What does that say?
luxurious.
Headlights manually set as. Wait, hold on. Oh, there we go.
Sorry.
Okay.
About that.
No, you're good.
Braking, steering, again, you can even turn on, you know, a slip start if need be, if you're live in an area where there's snow or mud or something.
There's a lot of drivers who watch the channel who do drive in snow, so
yeah,
that could be
super helpful. I know that
helpful.
You're probably looking at, you know, a car like this and you're thinking, man, well, if I'm driving around in a blizzard, I know it's, what, March, so a lot of the country is still dealing with that kind of stuff. Super easy to drive in that as well.
Yeah, this car's built to drive on ice, which is crazy, but since it is electric, it has the technology to be able to drive on ice, which gas-powered cars can't do.
Yeah, and it's literally just controlled by the touch of a button right
there. It's crazy, crazy. Yo, that's a nice shirt, by the way. Where'd you get that? Did you get that at our merch store?
Nah, man, this is Versace.
Hey guys, get the merch. Link in description.
Get the merch. It's not actually Versace.
All right, back to
Rideshare Hub.
All right,
fuck with it. All right. Where was I? Oh, this is one of the coolest things. Autopilot, guys. The car can drive itself.
Ooh, yeah.
You're at the end of a long day, driving Uber, driving Lyft, whatever. You're on a highway, just coasting down, and you wanna, you know, sit back, relax, maybe send a text to your mom. I'm kidding. Don't send a text while you're driving.
Maybe
but you could if you wanted to, because yeah, it drives itself, and you can turn it on, just right here.
Oh yeah.
You can control the speed limit at which you want to go. You can control when you stop. You know, if you need the collision warning a little bit earlier or later, depending on your driving style.
Yeah.
Totally up to you. Control whether your cars are locked, your display, brightness. Ooh, look at that. Night mode.
Oh, night mode.
Night mode.
Dope sauce.
Yeah, man. It's got built-in GPS. Oh crap. If you need that, I mean, obviously, or you use the app, but whatever.
Oh, show them the Mars setting. Guys, I had a Tesla too, so I got rid of it. I didn't really like the car. No, I'm just kidding. It was a cool car.
Too crappy for him, you know.
Yeah. Click the T, yeah.
Alright. And if you guys want to see, just because Elon Musk is a, you know, extra bougie guy, he threw in all these extra settings, so you can, you know, if you want to just get a little change of scenery, you can drive on Mars instead of, you know, the road. Or you can, you know, you take your lady up to a scenic overlook, you know, throw on a fireplace.
Ooh,
you know
nice.
what I mean? It's just, it's the little things.
That's dope.
You know?
Guys, if you don't know what to do, just tap the screen a bunch of times and you'll probably figure it out.
It's worked for me so far.
So to anybody who's thinking of buying a Tesla to drive for Uber, I mean, we're pretty biased because we're both, I'm a Tesla owner, well, previous owner. Once a Tesla owner, always a Tesla owner.
Yeah, it's like the Marine Corps.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a Model X though, the SUV. But probably a used one though, so I don't, you know, dish out a bunch of cash. So anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Leave a thumbs up if you do want Keenan back on the channel, and comment down below if you did make it to the end of the video. Let us know. All right, later guys.